Hi, I'm Mike from 1A Auto. We've been selling auto parts for over 30 years.
Hi guys, Sue from 1A Auto, and today we are going to show you how to remove and replace the plate light bulbs in a Mazda 607 model. If you need any parts for your vehicle, click on the link below and head on over to 1aauto.com. I take a body tool, nice flat blade, and I push the ear aside, grab the other side, and the lens will come right out. Let's see if I can get in there. This end. Pop the lens forward. Pull the lens out. Now you've exposed the 194 bulb. You grab it with your fingers firmly and pull it out. And that is a 194 bulb. To install, just reverse procedure. Line up the electrical connector on that bulb and slide her into the socket. Grab your lens, fish it on up in there, and then snap it down into place. And reverse procedure, just do the same thing over here, same procedure.
Thanks for watching. Visit us at 1aauto.com for quality auto parts, fast and free shipping, and the best customer service in the industry.